Welcome to Shri Narayana Vidyalaya Kanhan online class. Subject General Science Standard 7. Chapter 2 Plants, Structure and Function. Before knowing about the structure and function of plants, it is very important to know about plants. So, when I ask you a question, tell me something about plants. Which thing is comes first in your mind? Tell me few names of plants. Yes, neem, tulsi, banyan. All these are the names of plants, and plants have its subdivisions like creepers, climbers, herbs, shrubs, and trees. Creepers, climbers, herbs, shrubs, and trees are considered as plants, and all these plants have their own identification, and all these plants are identified by their structure, and the functions of that plants are also different. So we study about all in this chapter: plants, structure and function. Do you know, students, plants are differentiated into the root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Yes, we can identify any plant with the help of these different characteristics of plants. Look at the picture. In this picture, the part that grows from inside the seed towards the soil is called radicle. This is radicle. Why it is called radicle? Because this part of the seed is going towards the soil, hence it is called as radicle. Now look here, this is plumule. Why it is called as plumule? Because this part of the plant grows above the soil. The part that grows above the soil is called plumule, and the part that grows or goes inside the soil is called radicle. I hope you understand plumule and radicle. But always there is a great difference between radicle and root. Root is not radicle and radicle is not root. Now observe the difference. The root that forms from the radical grows into the ground. Look here. This is the taproot system. This is the taproot system. Means every root has root cap at the end. And this is the main root, and all these are the secondary root. This is main root. Main root means primary root, and from primary root secondary roots are arises. Now look here, all these hair like projections, these are also a type of roots. But what is the name of these roots? Yes, all these are root here, and this is the tip of the root, and it is very important because it projects inside to the soil. I hope you understand. Thanks.